Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Box. I've got a little mystery bag again. Woo woo! I do love a mystery bag. So this one has been sent by Signet. So I did ask to see some of their yarns and if there was any others they thought I should look at to pop them in, but it's not a massive bag, so I can't imagine that they've put a lot in. So let's see. But it's squishy, and that is all that matters, isn't it? Oh, pretty. Okay, stop rustling and get in. Okay, so these are yarns I've not, mostly, I think they're yarns I've not seen before. Shall I get them out so it doesn't rustle? That's probably the best step. Just sort of sing amongst yourselves while I do this. So I just don't want it to rustle and annoy everybody. We all like a bit of rustling, I know, when it comes to yarn. I think that's the last one. It is. So I'll put the bag down there. Okay, so what have they sent me then? Where's my yarn? Necklight, necklight, necklight. So yeah, these are, some hair's a bit bushy. Need a cut. Sorry about the hair. Try and keep it under control. These are yarns I've asked to see with a view to stocking them in my shop hobby rocks. Some of them won't make the cut, I guess, but I like to get a good look and a good feel of all these things before I because it's very well looking at a picture, isn't it? But getting it, feeling it and giving it a good grope, it's the only way to know, really. So they sent me a little, they sent me some before, but these are another little cross section of yarns. And so at the moment Hobby Rocks has a voucher code. If you don't know, there's a link just under the video, and it's to my shop, hobbyrocks.co.uk, and under that is the voucher code for June, which is Flaming June 10, capital F, capital J, no gaps, Flaming June 10, but you can cut and paste it anyway. So make use of that. You can use it more than once. So don't mean more than once on a transaction. You can only use it once per transaction, but you can use it as many times as you want in June. This is lovely. This is absolutely beautiful. This is called Silk Caress, and I did have some of this before, but look at that colour. That's lovely. I forgot how soft this is. I definitely think I'll be getting some of this. This is amazing. Now, Signet Yarns, most of us in this country know them as a kind of a budget brand. In a lot of shops where, for instance, we have a hospice shop in our main town, and in there they stock Signet basic budget range, and they're great for making charity blankets for people, those people who make them for the RSPCA for animals and dogs and everything else. But animals and dogs are animals, but you know what I mean. People who make a lot of things and give them regularly to charity would buy them in a massive bulk, and each brand has that kind of budget range, and that was really all you ever saw. Although I did see some of their thick, seriously chunky ranges in there as well, but that was it. And then I started seeing Boho Spirit, and Boho Spirit changed my mind about Signet as a brand, because it's like Red Heart Unforgivable. It is unforgettable. Unforgivable. Unforgettable. Obviously it was. It was very forgettable. It was unforgivable how it was unforgettable. Oops. Anyway, yeah, it was like that. Just beautiful. So that kind of changed my opinion, and I wanted to try the rest of it, and some of it is just gorgeous. And this brand, Silk Caress, is this brand? No. Line. This one's called Buttercup, 2887 Buttercup. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm definitely going to get some of this. I liked it last time. They sent me one ball, and it is a DK, and it is 100 grams, machine washable. I'm trying to find 100% anti-pilling acrylic. It is mega soft, absolutely gorgeous. I like that one a lot. And then we've got this. This is Truly Wool Rich 4-ply. So it's a nice kind of, well, actually looks like DK. When I look at that strand, well, it is a 4-ply. It's a 4-ply, which is sport weight across the pond there. And obviously it's got a lot of wool in it, and I can feel it straight away because my fingers are going, don't grope it too much now, or you'll end up regretting it. 50 grams, 75% pure new superwash wool, and 25% polyamide. This is a small ball, 50 gram. It's called Rust 2150. But if you're a wool person, this is lovely. It is very nice. It's just that wool and I couldn't wear it. I would be going crazy. But it's nice. It's nice. It's very nice. It is very nice. So that brings me to another little ball here. This one is called Little Ones A to Z, or A to Z if you're from the other side of the world. Now, this is a DK, as you can see. It is a nice little ball. It's so cute. It actually is pretty cute. It's a 25 gram ball. It's machine washable, 100% acrylic. This is called Shell 733, and it is darling little ball. Now, when I was a young girl, I used to go shopping with my mum. This is how we used to buy yarn, in a 25 gram ball, and occasionally in 50 gram balls. They seemed big. 100 gram balls seemed enormous, because whenever we went anywhere, it was a 25 gram ball that we bought. Isn't that amazing? And it's silly little things that bring back memories. Gary said something to me earlier that just he was doodling on a piece of paper, and he was doing that, you know, on a piece of paper, and it just took me straight back to my mum, who used to sit there, and she would do it so neatly. It'd be perfect gap in between her little squiggles. And this has just reminded me so much of my mum, and it is amazing. It was her birthday on the 19th as well, so obviously it's been in my thoughts a lot anyway. But isn't it strange how things take you back, just something? Because as soon as I saw this, I just thought of when I was a young girl, about 6 years old, learning with a little ball of yarn like that. That's kind of cute. Nice yarn though, very small ball. So let's have a little look. We've got Seriously Chunky Delights. Now, the Seriously Chunky I have used before. I made a pair of fingerless gloves. They were actually a bag a day pair. That herringbone kind of stitch. And they were black and white, obviously. Too thick. Much too thick, to be honest with you. They were stiff. And so I never really wore them much. Just like bit restrictive, but nice yarn anyway. And this is called Creme Brulee 472 Creme Brulee, and this one is 100% premium acrylic, machine washable still. I'm trying to find the yardage, the yardy. Can't see it. Oh, here we go. 48 meters. Don't give yards, but I like this color. The creme brulee, that is nice. So yeah, and it is lovely and soft, absolutely beautiful. So I think because they did such cheap budget range, and that was all we saw wherever we went, and they didn't really have a great big range, they've been pigeonholed quite wrongly as a budget brand, where they do some absolutely lovely yarns. So I will start stocking more as I start growing, which is why I wanted to see these extras. Now we've got Kitties Super Soft Chunky, and that is lovely. Look at that colour. That is really nice, and it is lovely and soft. I can, you know, sometimes when you pick up a ball of yarn, you just know it's going to work up really, really nicely just by looking at it and feeling it, and you know you're going to enjoy working with that yarn. That is exactly how I feel holding this yarn. Sometimes you know it's going to be trouble, you know it's going to split on you, but this one I just feel no. 100% acrylic, 100 gram ball, machine washable, and it's called Clover 2062 Clover. Sorry guys, really hot. I am melting before your eyes, but that is lovely, really, really nice. That's got some potential. This is 100% cotton. I did have a ball of this before, I think, because I remarked how they had ripped off paint box for their yarn band. But I don't know. I'm going to put my fan on. Excuse me a second. I'd used paint box a few times, and the last few times I have been quite disappointed with it. It's let me down a few times, which I don't know if it's changed hands or what, but isn't that colour beautiful? That is just gorgeous. But this is lovely. This is 100% cotton, really soft as well. Machine washable to 40 degrees. And we're talking pistachio. 6849 pistachio. I'm definitely going to get some of this. This is nice. I like it a lot. So yeah, 100 grams. Nice small 100 gram ball. So is it saying, what does it say about what weight of yarn this is? There's my biggest. It's very small writing, so just bear with me while I squint away. It doesn't knit to all DK patterns, it says. It's quite thin though, yeah, but it's cotton, so that does come, sometimes looks thin. I'm absolutely melting before your eyes. Sometimes it looks thin and it works up a bit thicker, but I love that colour. That is just stunning. Beautiful colour. And it's one of those things as well, if I'd seen it in their on their website to order, I might have thought, I don't think I fancy that colour. But having it and looking at it, that is a gorgeous colour. This is Kitties Super Soft Aran, and obviously it's for kids and babies. It is beautiful, absolutely soft, squishy, and again, just like this one, I feel like it's not going to be, oh, it's the same, isn't it? Oh, this is chunky. This is the Aran range. Shame they didn't send me a DK. I'd have had the set. But yeah, just like that, it feels exactly the same. Like, you know, it's going to work up really, really nicely, and you don't feel as if it's going to split on you. It just feels really nice. 100% acrylic. Machine wash to 40 degrees, and this is called Canary. 471 Canary. I wouldn't have said that. Looks more like sun, sort of saffron. I don't know. It doesn't look like a canary. Looks like a ball of yarn to me. Now this one, I wanted to try this. I'm glad they sent me this one. The Signet Pure Baby Prints Anti-Pilling DK. It's a jazzy one. A jazzy yarn. They've probably got lots of other colours in it. Colour schemes, should I say. But it's super, super soft. 100% acrylic. Feels like premium. 245 metres. Machine washable to 40 degrees, and it's called Rainbow Rush. 1874 Rainbow Rush. So did I give you the meters on this one? I can't remember doing that. I think it's because I'm melting to death. Seriously, 184. I am melting to death. So I think they've sent me quite a lot of nice yarns here. It didn't feel like a big bundle, but it's not disappointing. There's quite a lot in there. And there's all different ranges for me to actually try. So I do feel like I'll have to put in a new order, maybe. I've got a kind of order coming very soon, because I've got a little announcement that Cyprus is up and running for my website, and as you know, Malta. So I've added another couple of areas, but Cyprus is now fully up. And my scissors, which have been crazy popular, I bought them for the website and they sold out straight away. Look like guitars, which is very apt for Hobby Rocks, isn't it? Very apt indeed. They sold out as soon as I got them, only a couple of days, and they were all gone. So I have another order coming. It's got these in and some others which are really, really cute, as well as the yarn ball stitch markers, which have been very, very popular as well. I still have a few of those though at the moment, but if you're waiting for these, they should be, they've told me they've dispatched them, so they shouldn't be too long, because they are coming from the UK, so it shouldn't take me a while to get them. And so that'll be that. And thank you for watching. Tell me what ones you like. What would you think you'd like to see in my shop? What one should I get? And well, thank you for watching. Stay safe everyone, take care, I'm going to go and mop myself down, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.